Welcome back, guys, to another Supreme unboxing. It's spring summer of 2020, and we're going to open the box from week 1 Supreme as well as week 8. Let's get into it. What I remember what I ordered the Bling tea as well as the cherries tea. Hopefully we got a Bling sticker back. That would be really cool. Okay, so we did get a cool sticker. We got the Tupac sticker as well as the cat sticker. This cat was on a shirt that released week 1, I believe, and now we have a sticker for it. What we also got, we got another poncho. We got a poncho with the Tupac deck as well as the distorted skateboard. So here's the ballpark poncho. Here's how it looks on the back. So right here we have the distorted skateboard deck in the yellow. This is part of the week 1. Alright, right now we're unboxing the second deck. This has to be the Tupac board unless they messed up my order. This is the deck that I'm most excited for. So this is the Tupac skateboard deck. This deck is the portrait of Tupac at the Coachella live performance. This is his hologram, and in the hologram edit, they put the Supreme on the underwear belt. So these are the 2 ponchos I got from both skateboard decks. They sent 2. That's pretty awesome. Oh. Okay, up next, we got the cherry tee. We got it in black, size large. Next t-shirt we got the Bling tee. Very nice. Now, we have this box, and I believe this is the Nalgene in red. Okay, right here we have the Supreme Nalgene. Has a nice little case around the Nalgene. Let's open this up. Okay, so here's the Nalgene. It's nice, it's clear, made in USA. Has a little box logo right here, and it has a nice little red cap. Now, when I used to go camping, people used to say that these Nalgenes used to be indestructible. They would throw them against rocks, the ground, and they wouldn't break. So that's why I had to get another Nalgene for Supreme. So we're unboxing this for week 8. Let's open this. So we actually did get some nice stickers that I'm very happy about getting. We got the Dino image that came out on the t-shirt that I should have gotten this week, as well as the Chrome Supreme logo. That's such a cool sticker. I was gonna go for the Chrome logo, but personally I didn't really care for how it looked. So they also released a skateboard deck with that Chrome logo that is shown here. But it's a nice sticker. I'm very happy that I got it. So the first shirt that we got from week 8 is the Supreme Dragon tee. This shirt, it looks like an old rap cover. It has a big dragon on the front. It has a chain going across, and it has tons of money and a burning house in the background. So that's really cool. Next t-shirt that we have the Sailboat tee. And here's how the image looks. Here's how it looks on the back. On the Sailboat tee, it looks like a kid hand-drawn it. I forget the artist's name, but he's done other shirts such as this. I just really like the style, and it said Supreme on the top, hand-drawn, so I felt like it would hold its value. Next t-shirt. Next t-shirt we have is the Dino tee. So we also got the sticker with this. This is the dinosaur that resembles, to me, kind of looks like a Pokemon character, to be honest. The way it's been illustrated. It's actually a ride. Has a little coin slot on the bottom. It's like one of those rides that you would go onto as a little kid for like 25 cents and it would like just move. Alright, so that's about it for the spring summer of 2020 unboxing. This is what I got from week 1 as well as week 8. I'll see you guys in another unboxing for the week 10 Supreme MLB New Era varsity jacket in navy. If you guys haven't yet, please check out this video that YouTube recommends, and also don't forget to subscribe to me for more Supreme related content. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.